Swift parrots breed only in Tasmania and eastern coastal or sub-coastal areas. Although they'll feed on any number of flowering trees, it's here that they rely on an abundance of flowering blue and swamp gums. Within these gum forests, they require suitable mature trees with hollows for nesting. Swift parrots are always on the move and are most often seen while clambering about high in the treetops in search of food. During these bouts of feeding, they're rarely seen alone and keep in constant contact with others by their mouse-like squeaking calls. They're well named and their streamlined bodies allow for blazing speed and rapid changes of direction in mid-air. During the warm afternoons, swifties take short rest periods, marking one of the only rare periods during the day when they cease from their hyperactivity. Beginning as early as February, swift parrots migrate across Bass Strait from Tasmania to the Australian mainland, where they disperse for winter. During this wintering period in Australia's southeast, they rely heavily on the flowering of box ironwood trees. By September, the first swift parrots return to Tasmania from the mainland to breed once again. With only a third of the original gum forest still standing in Tasmania, their numbers are declining. Currently on the endangered list, swift parrots will require careful monitoring and vigorous conservation measures in the near future. Such a graceful and wonderful bird certainly deserves our protection.